was gonna be fulfilling a wand tube order and probably a lip scrub order, but I'm not shipping it out today. This is what I'm shipping out today, along with 2 other orders. This customer ordered 40 glosses in total, 10 of each, 10 Go Getter, 10 Dream Chaser, 10 Simplicity, and 10 for Keeps. And this is how they look. We got clear and pinks, the glitter gloss, and then our 2 popular nude glosses. So Simplicity, for Keeps, Go Getter, and Dream Chaser. She actually ended up commenting under one of my most recent reels, and I guess she wants me to do a reel of her order, so I'm gonna probably do 2 of each. Yeah, so I'm gonna just set those out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started so I can get done. I already have my other 2 orders packed up right here. So this is the Spooky Bundle. We have what I think like 2 more left now, and this customer ordered for my Glitz and Glam collection, and she ordered the Gloss Jar Ambitious. I'm gonna go ahead and play my YouTube video so I can have something to watch while I'm doing this. I hope that you all enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get these tubes filled. made my lip scrubs up last night, so I'm not gonna be able to fulfill all of them because I'm waiting on one of my scents to come in, which is lemonade, and it'll be here tomorrow. So y'all most likely won't see that because I'm gonna end this video. So this customer ordered 6 chocolate, 6 birthday cakes, 6 cotton candy, 6 lemonade, and 6 strawberry kiwi. And I put a lot of scent in here, so if she cannot smell this or taste it, you know, I don't know what to tell you, because I definitely put a lot in here. So yeah. Like I said, I can't finish the order because I'm waiting on my lemonade scent to come in. That'll be here tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope that you all enjoyed it. These are the lip scrubs. All these flavors are available for retail as well as wholesale. We got birthday cake, strawberry kiwi, cotton candy, and chocolate. And this is a 2-ounce container. If you would like to know where I get my inventory, check out my channel. I have, pretty sure, plenty of videos where I show where I get my inventory from. But yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.